Step 1 is to use a black eye pencil. I'm using this one from Pixi. All I'm going to do is tight line. So I'm going to be using it in my waterline. Next, I'm going to get some of that kohl kajal on my fingertips. So I'm going to coat my finger with it, and then I'm going to dab it all over my lid. So that's going to be the base. I'm taking it all the way from my lash line to the socket area while softening the edges, because blending becomes easier when you soften the edges, especially when you want to blend it in with another eyeshadow. With the same eye pencil, I'm going to thicken my lower lash line. I'm just randomly applying it in my lower lash line. It doesn't have to be perfect because we will go ahead and smudge this with a brush. Step 2 is to set the lid with a black eyeshadow so the black base doesn't crease. I'm going to be using a black eyeshadow from the Ofra Pro palette. You can use any black eyeshadow that you have. Step 3 is to finish up with a transition shade. I like to use the classic warm brown shade as my transition. And to apply it, I'm using a tapered blending brush. I'm going to keep on adding more eyeshadow till I'm happy with the intensity while continuing to blend. To balance my lower lash line with the lid, I'm going to be using the same brown eyeshadow to set my lower lash line where I smudge the black liner. That's pretty much it, my friends. That's your 3-step black smoky eye. Looks absolutely stunning. How you want to finish this up is up to you. I'm going to be using some false lashes today, but again, that's optional. First, I'm going to use some mascara. I'm using the Revlon So Fierce Eyes Wide Open Mascara. And today I'm going to be using Pretty Wild lashes. These are foaming lashes. I love the way they glamorize any look. I usually go for lighter lashes, but not with a black smoky eye. I want it to look extremely glam. But of course, it's a personal choice. If you like to stop at mascara, you can do that. If you like lighter lashes, go for lighter lashes. If you want thicker lashes, go for them. And when I do a black smoky eye, I pair it with a nude lip because I feel like there's so much drama in the eyes. I like to balance it out with a nude lip. I like to keep the focus on one thing, and here it's the eyes. So on my lips today, I'm going to be using the Quench Lip Rescue. And I'm going to be using the shade Nude. Absolutely love this. It just enhances your natural lip color and looks absolutely stunning. But I'm going to first start with a nude lip liner, and then I'm going to fill my lips in with the lipstick. Also, a red lip looks absolutely fantastic with a black smoky eye. Of course, now I like to experiment a lot more, but there was a time when I would only do black smoky eye with red lips. And here's the finished look. A classic black smoky eye got done in just 3 steps in less than 5 minutes and paired with a stunning nude lip. I live for this look. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon with a brand new one. Bye guys.